Yeah, 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 dude. I basically, man, I've got some accounts that I'm trading individually, and I've got some payouts, and I've decided with these deals, man, I've bought up like 20 freaking accounts. You know what I mean? And I'm only trying to get 200-300 a day and call it like and and I've worked several of them into PAs now. So I'm just going slow and steady, man. I'm trying. I just got moved up to a brokerage with Blue Sky, and I'm like, I want to take advantage of these simulated accounts, man, and try to get max payouts with these. Because when they move you that brokerage, you can't trade multiple accounts. So anyway, my strategy is shifting, man. I'm kind of like realizing I've been doing this long enough. Like I need to hit some big payouts on multiple accounts before I get transitioned to brokerages, possibly. You know what I mean? Yeah, happened here, man. Tell them, go, go, go.
What up with it? What up with it?
Yeah, that one got me. That little drop right there. Stopped out.
Yeah, that mug drop. I ain't into that trade because we didn't get no bullets candle flip shoes. So I was going into, but I was like, nah, we didn't show no confirmation of flipping bullets. So it dropped. Yeah, it was out. It was out. It dropped. It it would have worked though.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that would have worked out perfect. I don't like taking trades to the first 15-minute range set anyway though. Keep me out of all this noise. We approaching yesterday low right now. Let's see, can we get a hold right here?
Look at that. Took out that low. Now it's gonna go get that yesterday close.
Order submitted. Order
Yeah, I just hopped in. Wish me luck,
filled.
fella.
So I'm trying to get my money back right now on
I'm up
this push.
$65.
There we go.
60. Yeah, I took profit. We rejecting that 38 too.
Did y'all peep? Yo, go ahead. You see that bounce, bro? I literally just pointed that bounce out as the market was coming down to it. Scrunch. Oh, you're in a trade now. I'll wait till you get off the trade. Then I'm gonna show you what's good. I'm gonna show you why that happened. I mean, it's kind of clear, but they've been
Target filled.
this 550, 560 area has been being defended the past 3 days. If you peep, like scrunch your chart up, like not the price but the time.
Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see it.
No, like zoom in. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Go to a 5. Yep. Bro, look at that whole bottom just been getting defended. There's a reason. I don't know why. I don't care the reason why. I just know it's happening. So I'm gonna respect it. So anyone trying to go short down there the past 2 days, they told you we like this spot. So there's no reason to keep trying to short down there. There are some people that was like, yo, they're gonna break the low, they gonna liquidity, whatever reason, whatever. And they getting clapped right now. The market tells a story. It always tells a story. So you can see today's Wednesday. Go to Monday real quick. Scrunch the price down a tiny bit and go to Monday so that it's not fixed. No, bro, hold on. Listen to me. Go back. Go back. Press the arrow. Squeeze the time. Yeah, keep going. Keep going to just today. Follow me, bro. Keep going to just today. Keep going. Just keep going. All right. Now, scrunch the time down a little bit. I'm sorry, the price. Right there. Perfect. Now, scrunch the time now. Okay, perfect. Now, keep going. Stop right there. Now, put a box. Now, go to December 5th. Put a box around, Go to that level, right where your mouse is. Yeah, perfect. Right there. There you go. Anybody trying to short under that, you're retarded. If you're trying to short that, you're retarded. I personally don't have enough money to actually break through that. So, and there are people out there like, oh, I'm gonna short it. No, let the market gonna tell you. These market participants, these buyers and sellers gonna tell you what's good. They gonna tell you what's good. You don't gotta guess. They gonna tell you, and then you just put your stop where it needs to be, and if it gets stopped out, it gets stopped out. But hey, they said buy. They said if we come down, we like this area. They've been liking it. They liked it December 5th. They liked it December 8th. They liked it December 9th. They like it today. Market reading is very simple. We just make it complicated.
Hey, how you got your charts set up, Serge? Like I see you got 5 minutes, multiples of those. Are those like correlated at the same time on different days or what? Well, it looks like you got multiple charts up right now. Is it just one chart? What are those breaks? Oh, okay. Oh, that's all 5 minutes. Okay, yeah, because you scrunched it all up. Okay. Yeah.
And again, it's not always like that. Hey, we coming up to that. We coming up to the spot. Wait, yo, when I have my chart up, did y'all see me pointing with the arrows or not? Nah? Oh man, I was pointing down at the previous day low, and then I pointed at the 61.8, and I was like, okay, because this aggressive type of dump is like 61.8 ready, but I'll be back. I gotta deal with this little doggy. I'll be back. Yeah, I already made my money for the day. I caught my shit to the downside. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, so I played it back up, man. I didn't quite get in at the low, but as soon as that 1 minute doji closed after it took out low, I got in shortly after that and wrote it up to that to where I wanted it to go test to open the day. Previous day's close, and that's 618 too. So yeah, it's a good short right here, in my opinion. But I'm done too, man. I made mine. I'm done on that.
Well, I just caught that 38.2 for about 15 points. Yeah. I waited till it closed. I just jumped in on that back. Damn, I should have kept holding. Fuck, but I hit for $150, so I ain't gonna try to be greedy. Yeah, that's what I was targeting. Yeah. Well, I actually was targeting VWAP right here. I man, what I do is I don't be greedy when I'm trading. I just try to trade the next resistance or the next support. So if I jumped in at the 38.2, I know we're gonna get some resistance. I mean, at the next resistance. So it'll be the 50% and the VWAP sitting right there. But I'm not saying we can't get through it. I'm just not gonna chance us getting through it.
Yeah, that's smart. Let's take a profit.
Yeah,
I
from
gotta
the
jump
30.
off, fellas. Y'all have a good day.
All right, man. Yeah, it's like 20 points from the 38.2 to the 50%. Shit, I take that all day. Oh man.
Order canceled.
So you say you done for the day? Okay, okay. You still holding? I'm saying I'm saying you in a trade now. Oh, okay. So you saying you want to catch a reject off the? I mean, like a short of 618. Okay, gotcha. Well, it look like we might not even make it there. I told you it's a bunch of traffic in there, man. You got the 200 SMA there, EMA. You got VWAP and you got the 15-minute orb sitting right there for resistance. Like it's a lot of traffic. We crashing back now. I told you that's the reason why I took profit. I jumped in on a long. I waited. I see that we broke the 38.2 with some volume, and I just wanted to get a pullback. I got in on a second pullback candle, and I took profit right up there at the shoot, right at where we rejecting it. I got off of that trade. I was like, nah, I know we're gonna reject this. There's too much traffic up there. I was in the long, yeah. Yeah, I was in the long. Damn, 38.2 holding up again. That would have been a yeah. It's like it's trying to hold. It's just hard. We just stuck in this range. It's hard to take a trade right here. I want to come because you stuck between Yep, I see a 50 right here. Yep, 50 rejection. Yeah, you stuck between the 50 and the 38.2 right now. That'd have been a nice short from the 50. Damn, ooh, that'd have been a good short. Damn.
Order cancelled.
It didn't get quite to the 61.8. Missed it by a few ticks, but at 50, it rejected nice. And that's crazy because that's my type of trade. I just wasn't looking short for some reason. I don't know why. I like when we close, well, not close over, but I like when we peak over like a main level or a VWAP in the next candle or so end up closing back under with volume. I automatically get short. I just wasn't looking short. And once I'm actually up on the day, I kind of be way more careful, like entering another trade. I like it got to be almost perfect. Yeah, I'm green, so I don't want to mess it up. So my next trade gonna have to be It's gonna have to be a perfect setup. Man, at 50. Oh my God. That mug. Ooh. Damn. I just took a little mini scalp off that reversal right there for about $60. Yeah. I took profit because I knew we were about to reject it 38 too. We hit 38 too. Coming up. Yeah. Yeah. Whichever way look, we hit 38 too. We was 625 down 638 all the way back down to 22. Shoot, that's what 14 points. Shoot, that's a nice little trade. Just a quick scalp. I'm gonna see if this bear play play out, or is we gonna reverse and go back to the upside. It look like this bear play about to work. If we close back under, yep, Let's see, do it. Yep, dang, it worked. Let me see if it's gonna really work. We dropped a little bit, but let's see.
What a day. What a day. What a day. Yo, bro, I wish y'all saw them arrows I was pointing, bro. They literally came up near the little closed little golden ratio and just dumped. But yeah, it's good to mark that level off. Good shit. Yeah, you got to for real.
Man, that 50 play, boy, that mother played nice. All right, we gonna get a bounce. Or we getting it. We didn't bounced in this area um from 6:15 to 6:06. We didn't bounce what for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes. If we mess around and get some volume right here, I think we might take back off the VWAP. Yeah, that's why I think we're gonna trade to. I think we're gonna trade in the range all day. We might go from 15 VWAP back down to the 15 minute low or overnight low up to. Yeah, I don't think we just gonna get no huge move until then. Yep. I'm so glad I'm off these next 2 days so I can focus on trading when I be at work. And I hate news days while I'm at work. Yeah, that's what I was just saying. I feel like we just gonna range trade. Like it ain't gonna be no big move. It's gonna be like a little choppy. I might lay down, take me a nap till later. No. You heard what I said? I said I might. Right, I said I might lay down, take me a nap till later. That's a might. Yeah, like I man, for real. I just took like, and man, I remember, man, I just bro the growth, man. I remember I used to try to like not take what the market gave me, and you know what I'm saying. Like that's why I hate coming to the day saying, "Oh, I'll make $600 today." Shit, you don't know what the market might give you today. You know, you just gotta take it with. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like playing football. You take what the defense give you. You know, don't try to take what. Don't try to take what it ain't giving you. Take what the market giving you on that day. Yeah, yeah. I think I told you we're gonna get that push. Look like we're gonna get that push. I was just saying. If we can close above, yeah, we can told you. Damn, I knew we were about to get that push. I called it. I called it. I say, bro, I said we've been holding this level for the last 10 minutes. They did not want to close below, and I think we're gonna get a push back up to the 50 VWAP. I didn't get in it because, like I said, I ain't want to change. You know, I'm already green on the day. I was like, damn, I knew we were about to get that pop. Ah, man, that'd have been a perfect trade. Who is going to? Let me show you guys what I was looking at. I'm gonna take a picture. Uh, you see that picture I just dropped in the message, Sergio? Yes. Yeah, so what I'm looking at, how I trade is how I think. I like for us to overrun a level. That's how I like to trade. I want us to see because I know they're gonna liquidity sweep it. I want to see us run it. I want to see us recapture it with some volume. But I actually want to see us. I won't take the first move up. I want to see us like kind of like bounce around in the area maybe for 4 or 5 minutes and see that we're really trying to hold that area and like I said, I like to see touches. I want to see like at least 4 or 5 minutes of touches, and then I want to see some volume come in. Then that's my confirmation to take the trade, even when even when it's reversed. You know, like off the 50 right here, or even when we took when the sales came down off the 50 earlier. I like that we wicked over it. I want to see us kind of like give a liquidity sweep over and a close back below to go short. Just like when I'm trying to go long, I want to see a sweep up under it. And even if it's 2 or 3 candles sweeping them, I want to see us recapture and I want to see a hold for at least a few more minutes to take the buy to the upside. Yeah, at the top, yeah. That's why I said, man, we're gonna go back up and test. I figured we're gonna go back. I figured we were gonna hold here. We kept holding. I was like, bro, it's perfect time, keep holding, and then we got a little volume. I jumped in, and shoot, it's rolled all the way up, almost, to VWAP, and boom, gonna come right back down. Yeah. Look, it done taught me some stuff, man. The trials and tribulations, man. Golly. Ooh. The growth, man. The growth, though. Man, thank God for growth. It just instinct, like your spider senses just automatically just jump in. Yeah, for real though, man. I was telling my old lady, I was like, bro, I told her, I said, man, I'm gonna get on the plane, man. I say, man, I said, I gotta go meet Louis Sergio. I said, I don't care where I gotta fly to. I said, man, I said, bro, it's just the love. It's just the love. I was like, man, when you know what I'm saying, in the community, you can trade community, you get in. I never was embraced like this. You know what I'm saying? Like, with humbleness and with, guys that just was like, y'all didn't even know me from a can of paint, which still kind of like that today, you know what I'm saying? But the connection, you know what I'm saying? I feel the genuine, and I feel it. I was like, bro, I told her, if I have a good trading year, man, I said, I'm investing and I'm going to network with people. I'm going, even though we networking now, we teaching each other how to trade. I said, nah, I want to sit down beside them guys with my computer and trade. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to hold some type of event or something. You know what I'm saying? Get some one on one. Bounce off ideas off each other and stuff, man. Yeah, bro. I'm all for it, bro. Yeah, it'll be so nice, man. It'll be nice, bro. you know, I try to explain what we do to regular people. Like I don't know if I told y'all this before. I'm from a small town in Louisiana, bro. I'm talking about, you already know Louisiana, one of the poorest states, financial literacy, education. So I live in Louisiana, which is a bad state already as far as financial literacy. And I live in one of the smallest towns, not one of these, but it's a small town in Louisiana. I think we probably got 5,000 people in the city I'm from. So when I explain this to the people, they don't know what the hell. I'm telling, like, it's foreign language because they be like, they never even heard of or thought of like, I'm talking about, it's like almost trying to take a fucking 4-year-old and trying to teach him how to play football at 4 years old. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're gonna be fussing. You're gonna think that they should know what you already know, but they don't. They just fucking four. You get what I'm saying? Like, they don't comprehend it like that. Like, hey man, I keep telling you to take this. They be like, bro, I'm trying. So so yeah, bro. Like, and I be telling them like about my trading community, the people like that I link with, like you, Lou. I be telling them, I be explaining to my homeboys, be looking at me like, bro, shut the fuck up. Like, we don't want to hear about it. Like, I be like, bro, y'all. Every Everybody I know think I'm an investor. Like, I invest in, like, buy stocks and hold them. I'm like, dude, no, I'm a day trader. There's a difference. I day trade. Yes, don't nobody want to learn. Hey, can I just give you some money, man? I ain't got time to learn it. Can I get? I be like, no, bro, I can't take. Like, if I took money from everybody, you know how many people I have to flip money for and owe in the market and I lose. You know what I'm saying? Like, no, like, look, why don't y'all just come sit down with me for a few months and just learn it, bro? Just learn the shit, dog. Yeah, bro. It's too much pressure. Like, I can't lose their money, or man, damn, I gotta make sure I make this money because of, nah, I don't want the pressure. I want to be able to still come into the market with no pressure, trade how I trade. Hell, I already got one pressure in my goddamn household from trading, and that's my old lady. So I don't need no more pressure. I think her patience has ran thin. God damn, you like blew another, because she don't even know what blowing accounts is. But I tell her about it, and she fussing. God damn, you ain't gonna never get this shit. I'm like, she just don't know how close I am. Like, right now, I say that I'm a break even trader. You know what I'm saying? Like, right now, But it's the knowledge, man. And I was telling our local high school basketball coach because he want to know about it. Well, his wife asked me about it. I said, man, few people consider the journey. I said I enjoy the journey more than I actually uh, enjoy getting the payouts. Like all the trials and tribulations that it took for me to get here. Just looking back, you know, it's kind of like winning the championship. You're not crying because you winning the championship. You crying because damn, I worked hard all summer. The weightlifting, the tour days, you get what I'm saying? The shit that I had to endure to win this championship. It, exactly. That's what like when somebody win a championship. That's what they crying for. They're not crying because they actually won it. They crying because oh my god, it was so fucking tough getting here. Man, coach calling me, busting my ass. We practicing 2 times a day. We running suicides. We shoot 1,000 free throws. We like just putting our blood, sweat, and tears, and we finally got to our end goal. That's what I appreciate the more. I appreciate the getting here. Boom, more than I appreciate actually now that I'm here now. If that makes sense to you, man, for real. I can say I'm 5 times better than yeah, man. I think this year, like you keep saying, man, this year right here, I think this is gonna be our best year, man. I think we just need to stay in touch with one another, man, and keep doing what we doing, like these calls. And I know I don't jump on every day, but it's because I work a full time job. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm off on Wednesdays and Thursdays, so whenever I can join us, and if I have a slow day at work, because some days I might have a slow day on a Monday or Friday, I might be done early. I try to jump on, but man, we just need to keep networking with each other. I think there's a good thing going on. Keep networking with each other, man, and keep bouncing ideas off each other, bro. And like, yeah, it's like family, you know. Nobody judging each other, or nobody. Everybody just here to help, you know. We headed back up there to B-Wop now. Yeah. Now this would be my. Now I would have took this trade if I would not already green on the day because I see that we came down to the same area that I was showing you earlier, and I see that we put in a hammer candle, which is the red hammer candle, and see we bounced. But my idea is short. Damn, it already happened. God damn, as I'm talking to you, it's already happened. I would like to see a touch VWAP like that, like I like peek over it. You know, I want to see us like peek over it, like just get over it, and the next candle closes back below like it just did, and now we that would be like a 30 point. Damn. But man, but as you can see, I have a few strategies like now. Like I've been like now that y'all put me onto the Fibonacci retracement, I'm like, bro, I'm unstoppable now because now I got like a second. How can I put it? Like confirmation. You know what I'm saying? Like now, they. It, Right. Yeah, because now it make me um now that I got like because I already had a decent strategy at first, and now that I got these people out here trading, I see how it's just extra confirmation. You know what I'm saying? Like how we just bounced into VWAP right here, and 50% sitting right there, and we rejected it, came back down, hit the 38.2, and now we bouncing again. You know what I'm saying? Like it just give you extra confirmation. Because I like right now the 38.2 and my 21 EMA is aligned with each other perfectly. And to me, that's like two confluence going with me, you know what I'm saying? And just like the 0.5 and the VWAP on the 1 minute is aligned with one another, you know. It really do. It really builds.
How'd everybody do today?
Man, I'm up on a day, man.
It's a traded day. Let's go. Let's go. What'd you say? Yeah, I was done. I'm gonna tell you right now. I was done at 9:32. Yeah, yeah. I'll yeah. I'll show y'all too if y'all want to see. I'm I'll share the screen too. Yeah, it was easy. Let me see. Um, let's see. Share screen. What's the screen one? We'll go here. Show meeting. Screen one. Yeah, so y'all can see me. Y'all know me already. Uh, my signals, they don't start at 9:30. I have them starting at 9:30 and 15 seconds. That's where the data and the math says to be starting. So you can see, let's go F. 9:30 candle. Opening price of the market was, let's see, let's go. Opening price was, what's this? 25,647. We were still in the trend. We were below the closing price. I had the daily low. I had the previous low. We already know we have it marked off already. So I have another chart where like I have my prep chart up on my left that I'm already seeing, right? I already see this level. So when I told y'all this level bounced off many times, I already saw it did it 3 times. So for me, this is where when I'm like, oh, remember I always say, oh, you can give someone the algo, but if they don't understand market structure, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
So for me, if I gave you the algo and it told you to take a short down here, you would have got clapped, because for me, if I was in a trade, I would manually either close the trade out down here or I would move my trail down or something. You know what I'm saying? So that's where even though you have an algo, you still got to know market. You still got to know market structure, and you still got to understand how the market mechanics work, right? So going back, we got a bunch of shorts, and you see me. I'm not going for a bunch. It's just short here. We trailed out. Okay, what's that? That's like 8 points. Okay, short here, more points. This one, give me that. Okay, I'm still seeing short, right? So my last trade got exited at 9:32 and 58 seconds. So 3 minutes into the open, I made almost $600. Done.
Dang.
So then for me, my shit said daily profit reached. There's no more trades. I'm only going for 250. Anything above that is just good. So we done. I'm out of there. So guess what? As we're approaching the low, for me, I wish y'all, that's fine. I'm gonna cut up something and put it in the chat. But as we're approaching, I'm like, oh shit. We're coming to that level that I see. I see it on my other chart. But again, I'm not in the trade, so I'm just looking, and I'm like, all right, well, we'll see what they do from this level. What are they gonna do from this level that they kept bouncing from for many days? Bounce, bounce. What are they going to do here? Same thing. Bounce.
Bounce, yeah.
Bounce. And I could have gotten in here. I mean, it doesn't matter. But boom. We came to a spot here. It didn't get exactly the golden ratio, but we saw what happened. So it's all good. But yeah, now it's choppy. See, all these things, I don't really care for these. It's outside my trading time. As I said, my edge lies in between 9:30 and 15 seconds and 10 o'clock. It can go get me 500, 600, 1,000, whatever. Once I get it, I'm done. There's no more trades. I have no desire to go get anything else. I am done. There's nothing else for me. Everything else is cool. I don't give a fuck about it.
Right.
Does not matter. 90% off is back with Apex, by the way, y'all.
Say it again now.
90% off is back with Apex.
Okay.
I'm just seeing notifications. I'm gonna make something up. But yeah, that's where we at. There we are. Bang bang. But yeah, man, that's it. Man, nothing else. It's simple. To me, it's just like, okay, bang, bang, bang. Enter, exit, goal met, done. Go work on other projects in your life. Done. Nothing else to do. Ultimatum. I have there's nothing left to do. Like I'm done. Nope. I have no desire to go get anything more. Trying to go get more means it's gonna cost me, trying to go get more, I might end up getting less. I am
right, for real. That's emotional damage and everything.
Yeah.
And mental capital.
Yeah. I'm good. Now I can go tend to my dog, make sure she has a great life. I can whatever. Would you go outside and go play? You know? There's nothing left. Now I can go work on some like risk management software I'm trying to work on for people, and I can do a bunch of stuff, and I'll tell y'all about that later. Well, I think, yeah, once it's working, once it's going good, I got you. I'm trying to build something that's like all encompassing. So now you don't gotta go get Trade Syncer and Replicanto and Quant Guard and like I'm working on something. Yeah, this is just a bunch of different type of softwares that people got that yeah, he uses Quant Guard. Yep, but he got to use something from Affordable Indicators, and he got to use something from Quant Guard and something from Trade Syncer, and then Replicanto, and it's just, how about we have everything in one spot?
In one spot, yeah.
So it's coming soon.
I gotta update my Replicanto. I gotta pay the $39 or something like that.
Yeah. Oh, because you had it for more than a year, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, I'm trying to build. Something's coming soon. It's coming. It's gonna change the industry because no one in the industry. Because here's the thing, bro. A lot of people that create these softwares and whatnot, they're not actual traders too. So
yeah, I get it.
They, you know what I'm saying? They might think that they understand the market just because like they're hearing what people saying and they're hearing what people want. I'm in the market, so I know what I want.
You know
and
what
I'm
you
sure
want.
a lot of other traders share that same sentiment. You know what I'm saying? Say it again.
Yeah, you gotta pay a $39.
Yeah, but don't. Yeah, I'll get the fee. Don't worry about that. Say it again. I didn't hear you, bro.
It ain't gonna update either.
Yeah, no. You get the updates only up until a year. After a year, there's like a maintenance something, which I found out about once I was trying to update something.
Me too. I just found out day 4 yesterday. I thought something was wrong with my computer. My homeboy teacher.
Because the new updates I was getting them. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, my homeboy teacher, so he deal with computers. I like, hey man, you need to come over here. My Replicanto won't. I can't get nothing download to my computer. He made it over here. He say, because you got to buy it. I was like, damn. I never read it. I just Replicanto kept just sending me emails saying, hey, you need to update, or there when I log into NinjaTrader, it would ask me, do I want to update Replicanto? So when I go to try to update it, I never actually read what was on the screen. I just kept trying to download it and update it until my partner came over here, and I thought it was an issue with my computer, my laptop. Yeah. But the issue was I needed to pay the $39 to get the updated version.
Yeah, I'll be back. Hold on 1 second.
Yeah, it is. You can't get a bounce from this area. If not, heavy sell pressure too.